Hello everyone, today we are going to show you the unboxing of SRFS make LPDA antenna with a gain of 8 dBi which works in a frequency range of 30 to 500 MHz. Box contains a single boom, and the 25 sets of elements which we are going to fix onto the boom. We are using this pole to show you the installation process. We will mount antenna on this pole. First of all, remove the U-clamp. There is two U-clamp. Remove both of them. We are going to mount this boom on this pole. Take the U-clamp, place the boom onto the pole like this. Now with the help of U-clamp, tighten it up. Place plain washer first, then spring washer, then nut. Perform same process onto the second side. We will tighten up later. First U-clamp is fixed, now the second one. We have fixed the boom on to the pole. You can see now it will look like this. We have fixed the boom onto the pole with the help of these two U-clamp, nut and washer. Now the second step is to fix the elements onto the boom. We will start with the first element. As you can see, here is marking on the boom D1. You will get similar marking onto the elements. Since each element has two sets, one set, it means there will be two elements with D1 marking. First will be fixed here and second will be fixed on the other side. Similarly, all 25 elements will be fixed with the help of nut washer. Now we are going to fix the first element onto the boom. As you can see, D1 is the marking on the element and same marking is on the boom. So I will fix this element here like this. Now we will fix it up with the help of plain washer, then spring washer and then nut. In this way, first set of element is fixed. You can see. We have also fixed the second U-clamp. Now we are tightening it up. It will look like this. So in this way, the installation of LPDA antenna is completed. After installing all the elements, the final view of the antenna will look like this. Last part of the installation is you have to match all the elements, D25 to D25, D24 to D24. Similarly, you can see all the elements are placed according to the codes on them. Code on boom is same on element. This is the cable end where you will attach the back end. The connector type is and female.